See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
People die from giving birth. People die from other sicknesses, right? So why is it when somebody dies from a cosmetic surgery, we shame them, we bully them? Why? No one.
Who be this mumu? Who be this mumu? Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. People buy from giving birth. People buy from other sicknesses. But why is it that somebody buy from cosmetic surgery? We shame them. Shut up your mouth. How do you compare giving birth, bringing a child into this world? Bringing a child into this world to protect the human race. How do you compare it to somebody where waka go talk say wetin God do for them no good enough? You say people buy from sicknesses. Sicknesses, can you control your body? Can you control yourself from being sick? You see, say the people where they get cancer today, the people where we say that they get fibroid, you see, say all those people they decide to won't get them. It's not their decision, it just happened. But you decide that you're taking yourself to the hospital. This nyash I no like am. Doctor, make it bigger. You put your sock away, you just did the vomit shit. What's wrong with you? Comparing people that want to go and do cosmetic surgery to enhance their body to women where they born pikin. Are you mad or something? Until they worry you now, this kind of sense and until they sleep. How until they wake up? If you sleep with this kind of sense, you're not meant to even wake up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Now we'll talk about this cosmetic surgery. A lot of you don't say, what is bad if you want to go under the night to enhance your body? Don't you know it's intimidating when you enhance your body? Don't you know it's going to depress other people that are feeling bad about their own body but they cannot enhance it? So you are happy that you are looking good and others that cannot afford it are depressing because you become an intimidator when you don't carry that kind of body now. Maybe for your group of friends when I be 10, all of now, normally when I get fat nyash, you now can't go do your nyash. You know, say you go depress the other 9. Don't you think about other human beings? Yes. Oh, you have never thought about it from this angle. You enhance your body, you can't waka go where normal chicks dey. Maybe when I come the waka, maybe with your 2 friends. The man being man, we're like nyash. He can't see you. You can't see your friends. Maybe there are 3 guys. Then the 3 guys come the rush to come get your own number. Then after their friend get one, if one person eventually get one, nobody go ask for the other 2 own. I used to say those people go feel and they no come get money to do the nyash. It's greed. And like I said, nobody go wake up in the morning to go and get nyash. You people use that thing to do a shower. It's just to increase your market value in the eyes of men, in the eyes of married men, in the eyes of politicians, and in the eyes of men where they're around. You just don't want to do something. You want chop money. Don't tell me it's inferiority complex. Inferiority complex is a thing of the mind. It's a thing of the mind. It's a thing of the mind. It's how you think. And like I said, a lot of women, it has nothing, body have nothing to do with inferiority complex. Because I know a lot of big, beautiful women, curvy, nice-looking women that have got inferiority complex. Then they get women every time you go remind them, say, but you look so good. Now Lagos, 92 now these ones. Nollywood actresses, 92 now these ones. Some of them did their husband house, go do BBA. Men go follow there, they follow them talk. Nobody only their husband, they sleep with them. When I did that Lagos, so now when I carry this thing, all those actresses carry and come. Go check most of them. If you call name, I won't call name now, but it will be a very dark man. Plenty of them. No man fit stay with them. No man, nobody does BBL to keep a man. You do BBL to go into the market and take men. Before BBL came, people know they insult people, say that they body shame them. Body shaming will never stop. If you think body shaming will stop, it will never stop, just like racism. You cannot wake up in the morning and say racism has ended. Body shaming will never, ever stop. So you have to, people just need to adapt. All those things don't stop. I'm not going to compare giving birth, bringing a child into this world. Most of now Christian, you know you have the Bible talk, go into the world and multiply. You know, if one self say you must marry, just say multiply. So the women where they come, born Pekin. Some of them go don't look for Pekin for like 10 years. As they go, for that process, they go born the Pekin or come by, you use and take compare person where go do plastic surgery, where tell God, say God don't know what they do. That's small remain. Be careful. If you go do plastic surgery, follow the by. Adieu. Bye-bye. Now, as for the plastic surgery place where they say Nadia she go, see no sure. Well, on our government, I need to go even do that one. We can't even talk down. Time I don't do that move now. We get plenty of work to do. But go sleep. If you go do and you follow the by, you go and learn. And you will learn the hard way. Now your family will cry. Peace and love, don't play. Else you will learn and you will learn the hard way.